Hello guys and welcome to our channel. Today I'll show you how you can send and receive fax messages on your Samsung Galaxy A73 5G. So at the start we have to open the Play Store and download some fax app. You will find a lot of them in the Google Store for sure. I always using that one. So we have to open it. Decide to you want to get a notification from this app. In my case I don't have to, and add a permissions to the camera and files. Then click on this little plus and select the source of your document. You can take a photo or just select a PDF from the download files or just something from the gallery. I will choose something from my gallery like this one and select the serial one files and import. Then adjust a shape of your document to make it more visible and go. Then choose the filter and you can also add a signature here like this one. You can resize it and choose a place for it. Then click OK. You can also by these icons add a text and the graffiti mode. So if you are ready, click on the accept button. And this is a place where you have to type the number and choose the country. Then optionally you can give a small note here. And if you want to add more documents, just click on this little plus and do it like before. Or if you want to send only this one, tap on this button. And that's it. Thanks for the watching, leave us a subscribe or a comment, and goodbye.